Hello, I am Kelly Kennedy from True Wellness, and I'm here to talk to you about these nebulization kits. Do you know what a nebulization kit is? And if you do you know why you would want to use it and how to use it? Well, that's all here when you receive one of your True Wellness Advantage kits. And what I'm here today to explain is why you would want to get a True Advantage membership kit, a True Advantage kit. So we know that homeopathics are information and that the body needs information, that the cells communicate through light and sound, and that is delivered in many different ways. So we know that as well, that the mucosa, which is our internal skin, which extends from our sinuses to our lungs to our gut, that all of those areas of our mucosa are connected and that they often get junked up, clogged up, gunked up, if you will. And as the lymph queen, Kelly Kennedy, we also know that we need to mobilize the toxicants and we need to poop out, pee out, sweat out. I also say bleed out. Any sort of excretion from the body is a way for the body to get rid of toxins. And we don't talk about it very much, but we breathe out more toxicants than we do pee, poop, sweat, or even bleed. So by breathing, by the sheer nature of conscious breath, we can actually detoxify more from our largest organs of detoxification, known as our lungs. So how this all went down, how we became the nebulizer people, was that throughout the years, we've had different medical doctors working for us, and times we haven't had medical doctors working for us. And we love these vials of homeopathic remedies because they can be very effective to add into neural therapies. They can be very effective to add into IVs. But since we no longer had that licensing and these were so effective, I thought, how else can we get them in the system? And then nebulization, turning them into a mist, allowing the body to breathe them in, to get them into the sinuses, the lungs, and the gut. That's what this nebulization kit is for. So each kit gives you an advantage for a different area of the body. We currently have 5 kits. We have the immune advantage, the lung advantage, the lymph advantage, the trauma advantage, so for any kind of trauma inflammation, and the liver advantage. So lymph, liver, lung, immune, and trauma. Lymph, liver, lung, immune, trauma. We're going to come out with a kidney kit soon, an emotional kit. And it's these 3 little vials. We show you how to open and crack the vials. And each vial has complex homeopathy, which means essentially each kit, each advantage has multiple combinations of homeopathics, and each vial even has combinations of homeopathics. So each kit might have within it a dilution of 12 or 15 remedies in multiple dilutions in combination with these three vials. So we explain with the paper that it comes with what's in each kit, what the blend is. So for the lung, the lymph, the liver, the immune, and the trauma. Why would we use this? Well, we use it for a lot of reasons, to be honest with you. Anything in the sinus area. Sinus congestion, before or after dental remediation. This is great to clean up that biofilm. Any kind of mold exposure or Lyme or EBV, any kind of previous anxieties or brain fogs, it can really help alleviate that. Then for the lungs, we do this for asthma, for allergies, for lung congestion, for respiratory viruses. During COVID, the nebulization kits really got a big push into our community because so many people weren't able to travel. So many people were homesick and didn't want to just wait it out. They wanted to take steps to help boost their own immunity. And they know that from working with us, that that's in the liver, the lymph, the lungs, and the immune system. So we give them advantage kits that they can nebulize. Each kit can be done over a day. It can be done once a week. The frequency of when you would do it is based upon the symptoms. The more symptomatic, the more frequent you do it. As you get better, you need to do it less frequently because your frequency has already increased. Did you get that? Okay. Why else would we do it? Well, we would do it for gut issues. So constipation, diarrhea, bloating, gas, any kind of hormonal issues, anything in the gut, like pancreas issues, sugar metabolism issues, anything in the gut related. So we would also do it, as I mentioned, for anxiety. Now, it is easy to sit and breathe in these supplements or these remedies. It's also great for any age. So the little kiddos, right? You can get the masks that are more fit over their nose, so they don't actually have to actively breathe it in. But as well as even the more mature adult, right, that might not be as active, can sit and hold a tube in their mouth and easily just breathe in and out for about 20 minutes, which is what each kit takes, about 20 minutes to administer. So we do love liquids at True Wellness because we know that most people suffer with gut permeability. They don't have great assimilation of the food they eat. So that's going to be the same true of the pills that you swallow. If your gut can't break down your food, it can also break down the pills that you're swallowing, which is why we tend to use more liquids. And particularly when somebody's not well, more than likely they have more gut permeability. So this will take that out of the picture. So we have great bioavailability. It's information, but truly after many years of using this, as well as all the other techniques that we do here, this last summer, we did a research project and we did heart rate variabilities and live blood before and after each individual therapy that we do to see how well they improved their variability. And hands down, I was really shocked in a beautiful way to realize that the nebulization kit far and away improved regulation more than any other therapy that we do. And I really had to think about why. And I know why. It's because when we're nebulizing, we're sitting still in silence for 15 to 20 minutes, and we are focused with conscious breathing. And we are allowing those remedies in our parasympathetic state to be able to take hold in the body like nothing else. You know, nebulization, air breath type of treatments have been used as ancient as the people that we are, and to administer different medicines. We've gotten away from it for some various reasons, and we at True Wellness want to bring it back. It's a very easy way, accessible way. If you can't nebulize them, you can always crack the vials and just drink them orally as well. But with nebulization, we do find the benefits are far and wide for the mucosa, for all the sinuses and the lungs and the gut issues, for all the skin issues, for all the lymph issues, that it really assists the body with the information and the moments that it takes to do the nebulizer. Gets huge benefits for that parasympathetic system to entrain that divinity within, that she's in control, that the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of our bodies that digest and rest and relax, is in control. And we give her that moment. We give it to that moment in time. We give it the right remedies, and we are facilitating the wisdom within to now have the right information to be able to take the right steps. And what we have noticed from digestion to congestion to respiration is true advantage of improvement of symptoms much, much faster than if we were just to sit around and do nothing. The body will heal. That is its job, is to heal, but sometimes it needs a little facilitation. Sometimes it needs a little boost. And that's what these True Advantage kits are all about. So as I mentioned, we have a different types of them. We have the tracheal, the lymph, the trauma, the lymph, the lung, the liver, and the immune. And when you receive them, you will get a pipette, and you will get the paper that explains what's in them and the QR code to have the video of me again to show you how to snap the vials and bring them up in the pipette, and how to use the actual nebulizer. So it's very simple, easy. Nebulizers are easy to get, often at either Amazon or at your local CVS or Walgreens. You can often just walk in and purchase one. And now you've got the greatest way to improve your health, to give advantage to your family when they're feverish, when they have a cough, or maybe we just want to optimize and we're about to go on a trip and we want to boost our immunity before we do it. That's what these kits are about, is to give you the advantage so you can help with self-care over healthcare in your own home. Have a great day.